Good morning, camp. Thank you for your very warm greetings. This makes a very special feeling to all of us, especially the administration. So, today and right now we're having the ceremony of formal opening of our English language summer camp, Access English language summer camp, because it's all about access. Access which gives opportunities for young students, campers like yourselves, to upgrade your English language skills, to learn more about the culture of the English-speaking world, the United States of America, England, Canada, and so on and so forth. So, why do we need the camps? Why do we need camps? Why do we need English language camps?
We have fun.
Yes, to have fun and speak English.
Communicate with native speakers.
There we are. We have native speaker instructors here. Very good.
We play game.
Play games. Good. Wonderful. To upgrade your English language speaking skills.
It's
Great.
free of charge. It's free of charge.
It's free of charge. Absolutely right, right. The English language has become a costly accommodation. Very many people have to pay for the pleasure of learning and operating in the English language. Yes, you're right. We'll talk about this, why this opportunity has become available and free of charge, because very many organizations, institutions, and people have joined their efforts together to set up this wonderful opportunity for you to be able to literally have this English language bath to wallow in the pleasures of English language communications. So, on your behalf and my own, I would like to greet the administration of the camp, the institutions, organizations who have been very helpful in putting together the opportunities to set up this wonderful, wonderful opportunity for all of us here. We teachers also need English language camp, and we'll talk about this also today. От нашей международной команды, всех организаторов, персоналей, которые участвовали теперь уже в 14-й раз в организации этого замечательного лагеря английского языка, солнечный английский, Sunny English. Приветствуем всех здесь наших организаторов. Ребята, приветствуйте, пожалуйста. American writer Hemingway said, "No man is an island. No man is an island. Человек один не может." So to set up this wonderful facility, it has taken the effort of many organizations.
Здравствуйте, уважаемые гости, организаторы. Ежегодно у нас на базе нашей гимназии проходит замечательный лагерь, очень организованно. Здесь дети не только играют, но еще и учатся, и поэтому нам администрация очень приятно видеть таких гостей у нас в стенах нашей гимназии. И дети с удовольствием посещают этот лагерь, очень нравится. И учителя, и в особенности Патрик, нравится моему сыну. Да. Ирина, да. И желаем удачи дальнейшего, чтобы лагерь всегда процветал и никогда не угасал.
Старый друг лучше новых двух, как говорится, да? Мы с вами с самого начала этого замечательного проекта в этом году Интерколледжу уже 20 лет, да? И проекту 14 год идет. Теперь уже это не проект, а программа. Конечно, без международных партнеров, поддержки, такой проект не мог бы состояться. And of course we, in this regard, remember always the effort and support of the English Language Office at the Embassy of the United States of America in Moscow. They were with us from the very start, and they are always helping us to provide materials, native speaker instructors, and also trips to cities, not only in Russia but also overseas. So, Patrick Baker, on behalf of the English Language Office, we give you the floor to greet the campus, please.
So we've had a couple days so far of the camp, but today is the official opening. And I'm happy to be here again for a third year. I love working here at the summer camp with motivated young students. They always are willing and motivated to play any game we have or any activity we propose. And I think they understand the importance of learning English. So, I have a sort of analogy. You can think of your English skills as this rose, okay? For this rose to be in my hand, someone planted the seed in the ground, watered it, and without this soil, this foundation, this water, it wouldn't have grown. So you can think of this summer camp, your experience with teachers and native speakers as the water for your rose. This rose will give you many opportunities in the future. So, going forward with this summer camp, I hope you all have a good time. I think it's the most important thing in these summer camps. It's being comfortable, opening up, and being willing to make mistakes and improve your English with real communication. So, we have a great guest here today, Irina Nikolaevna. She will tell you more about how you can find more opportunities to improve your English. And most importantly, again, enjoy the camp. I think it's the most important thing. So, good luck to everybody, and may the force be with you.
And have fun, because very many people are here for fun, right? I thank you very much, Patrick. I love your metaphor about the seeds, because the seeds are very important. When they are planted and watered, like what we're doing here at the camp, they will grow like these beautiful flowers, and so do the human beings. And I think we're throwing around lots of seeds here, and the clever minds and the good souls will pick up on these great opportunities. So there are very many local organizations who participate in organizing the camps and supporting them. But at this stage, I would like to say that there are many international organizations represented here in the Russian Federation, like Fulbright Office in Moscow, the English Language Office, and some others. And at this point, I would like to say we're having a new partner, the Education Center in the Russian Federation, today represented by our wonderful colleague Irina Nikolaeva from St. Petersburg. So Irina, please tell us some words of greeting by way of greeting and the plans.
Hello guys, thank you for your warm welcome. And it's nice to see you. You're so beautiful, so young. You're full of energy, full of ideas. And you speak English. It means that you have additional opportunities to travel, to study abroad. And that's what I came for. I came to tell you about the opportunities that you have to study in the US, to go for probably language program, or to study in college. And we will talk about it. I hope you will be interested. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Irina, for taking the time to come too far, having covered such a long journey from St. Petersburg through Moscow, right? Also, I would like to give the floor to the director. First to Galia. Okay, good. Galia, our senior counselor. As I said, Galia was like yourselves, a small girl. Now she's a big girl, and already having reached the bachelor's degree, right, in the English language studies. Great, congratulations, Galia. And Galia is just back from. You also participated in the UGRAD program in the United States of America, right, Galia? And she's just back from the National Association of Teachers of English event in Moscow at the Russian University of Humanities, where all 34 Axis representatives were participating. And all of them are our children, because we were the very first Axis program here in the farm. Over to you, Galia.
Thank you very much. Hello everyone. My name is Galia, and yes, several years ago I was a typical student in this Axis camp, in the Axis program, and right now I realized how much Axis program gave to me. I didn't have any interest actually, but thanks to Axis program I realized that English is my favorite thing in this world. And right now I'm finishing my education at the Romance and Germanic University, and I'm going to be an interpreter because English is one of my favorite things, as I said. And also, thanks to Axis program, I realized that there are a lot of different programs to different countries, and I decided to go to the US. I won scholarship to the US, to UGRAD program, and spent a semester in the United States of America. And after coming back, I realized that I can do a lot of things to my local society, and that this education that I got there can help my local people, my local country. So, and right now actually I want to welcome on the stage one of our talented students of the camp, because we are very talented, all of them are very clever, and they're very interested in English. And right now Emilia, she's going to sing a song in 3 different languages. In Bashkir, because we live in Bashkortostan, and Bashkir language is our main language. And the second one in Russian, and the third one in English, because it's English summer camp. So welcome Emilia from group number 2.
Слеза стекает по щеке.
is so very touching, touches the very strings of my soul and everybody's soul here. Wonderful. I would like now to give the floor to our most reliable person in the camp, the director of the camp, Jan Jasona.
Thank you.
The very first we were together.
Okay, I'm very glad to be here. Patrick has told that he is for the third time here. I have been working in this gymnasium for 27 years already. But the most memorable and exciting moments are connected with the Access program with Vyacheslav Dmitrich, with his talented and creative team. We are teachers of English are very privileged to upgrade our knowledge because within the year and during the summer camp we meet a lot of native speakers and we enjoy communicating them. We learn from them all the time. That's why you should appreciate you have a great opportunity, yes, to do it the best way, and I hope that English will open your opportunities and will give you a lot of chance to become real personalities and to be successful people in the future. So, and I'd like to say that it's time, it's never late, it's never early to say thank you to all the staff of the administration, yes, to the counselors, to our assistant counselors, and I think it's, we should say 3 cheer up, hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Enjoy the summer camp. Thank you.
Thank you, dear Jasna. It's always a joy to be with you, to work with you. Yes, we teachers also need the camp because it gives us an opportunity to experiment, to meet with people, to make new friends, and so on and so forth. And I like also this metaphor that through the medium of English, our young campers can reach successful future in their future lives. So, the medium of English. English is a way to success, as we say. Over to Galia, our senior counselor, please.
Sure. And as you saw, our Emilia, she was very talented and she sang very beautiful song. And right now I want to welcome Guzel on the stage. She's going to perform you. She's a ballet dancer, future ballet dancer with very good English speaking skills. So let's welcome our Guzel from team number 2. and a lot of students actually, they're very talented in music. And right now we want to show you one of our best students from team number 2, Sumbul. She's gonna play on the piano, a very beautiful and touchy song. So let's welcome Sumbul. Applause. Very much. And right now, to cheer us a little bit up, I want to welcome on the stage two very talented and incredible boys. They're gonna play on Bashkir national instrument, which is called kuray. It's like a flute in America or England, but it's made out of wood, and it sounds very beautiful. And you will see how it sounds very good. So, welcome. improve our English speaking skills. And right now we want to show you one of the favorite Bashkir dances on the stage. And right now you'll see our national dance, Bashkir dance. It's from team number 2, Emilia. Let's welcome them. Thank you, Emilia. That was very beautiful. And as you saw, our students are very talented, and I'm saying, and they're very unique. And I want to thank them one more time. And right now, I want to give the floor to Vyacheslav Mitrovic.
Thank you, Maria. Thank you, and your very talented team of counselors and counselor assistants who have prepared so well. We're seeing that it's really a very talented team on campus. Thank you very much for the joy that you've given us this morning. I would like also to say again thank you very much to all our local, federal, international participants in this wonderful launching ceremony of the 14th English Language Summer Camp. So we wish you all of the best. Ahead of us are 3 full weeks of enjoyable activities, and all of these are through the medium of English. Enjoy, attend, and be happy. Enjoy. Thank you. Now we go to our cross-cultural sessions according to the schedule that we all have. And this morning, Irina Nikolai will be presenting our northern capital. So, virtual guided tour of St. Petersburg as the northern Russian capital with Irina Nikolaeva. So please attend and listen and be ready to ask questions. And tomorrow, we will be talking about educational opportunities that are ahead of you in the future. Good luck to all of us. Thank you. Thank you.